Today we're taking a closer look at the TruShield low-profile hard tri-fold tonneau cover for the 2019 and newer Ram 1500 with the 5.7 foot and the 6.4 foot bed without the Ram box. This tonneau cover is an excellent option for Ram owners looking for a sleek, durable, and secure solution to protect their truck bed and its contents. This hard tri-fold tonneau cover offers a combination of style and functionality with added security. Its low-profile design sits nearly flush with the bed rails, providing a streamlined appearance that complements the truck's aesthetics. The tri-fold mechanism allows for easy access to the bed, enabling you to fold the cover up when you're hauling larger items or when you need full access to that bed. And it even clips up in the back so it's not going to flop around when you're back there folding it up. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum panels, this cover is built to withstand the elements and resist potential damage from daily use. The matte black textured finish not only adds to its visual appeal, but also enhances its durability against scratches and that UV exposure. Also, the aerodynamic design of the cover can contribute to some improved fuel economy by reducing drag and potentially offering an increase in fuel mileage. For Ram 1500 owners who prioritize bed security, weather protection, and maintaining a clean, streamlined truck profile, this tonneau cover addresses all of these needs at the same time. The cover's construction features robust aluminum panels that provide strength without adding any excessive weight to the bed. The frame is designed for durability, ensuring long-term use without bending or warping over time. The textured matte black finish not only resists corrosion and wear, but also complements the truck's overall rugged look. The cover's sealing around the edging is engineered to keep out water and debris, ensuring your cargo remains dry and clean regardless of the weather conditions. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that mid 600s to mid 800s price range, depending on your make, model, and the bed length. Considering its premium aluminum and aerodynamic benefits, it's sitting at a pretty reasonable price point in my opinion. Installation is nice and straightforward, so it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in a 1 hour or less of your time. Now, let's head on out to the shop, and we're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that install process goes.
This install, you just need the supplied wrench and Allen key. All right, today we're gonna be installing a tonneau cover on our Ram, so let's get started. All right, now before we get our rail onto our truck, we just need to do a little bit of assembly. So we're gonna find the correct rail that sits on the side. We're gonna have our end cap, which is a sealed one. That's where our rear locking point is gonna go on. It's just simply slide over like so. Screw down our Allen just so it stays on. On the other side, you're gonna see your open end. First, we're gonna put on our mounting point. It's gonna go over the same way. Just gotta get past that little bit of seal, snug that up, and then we're just gonna put our drain tube in like so. Get that all the way on, and we can go ahead and get our rail into place. Now we have 2 clamps. We're gonna have one at the front and the back. Our front one will go in front of our mounting point. It's gonna hook up under the bed and then onto our rail in this channel here, just like so. And go ahead and snug this up so we can get our rear one on so it doesn't fall. So we'll get our rear one on, lock that in our groove, snug this up, make sure everything's aligned and against the rail. Grab our supplied wrench and go ahead and tighten that down. Go ahead and tighten our front clamp down. Then while we're here, we're gonna take our drain tube and just go right through the bed right here. Feed that all the way down. Now you can go ahead and do the same thing with the rail on the other side. Now we're gonna set our tonneau cover in place. You'll see your front seal here that's gonna go across the front of the bed. We'll just lay it down, get it in a roundabout location. We're gonna unhook it, and then we need to get access to our 2 mounting holes, one on either side. All right, now we're gonna get our bolt. Now I took everything off except for our rubber washer that's gonna go through. I already moved our bracket underneath to line up. Just push that through, we'll secure it from underneath. All right, so underneath you'll see our bolt coming through. First thing we do is grab our Allen wrench and just tighten down our bracket because it's in the location that it needs to be. Then we're gonna go ahead and get our flat washer and lock washer over and screw on our plastic nut and go ahead and tighten that down. Sometimes you just gotta hold the threads a little bit to get it started. Get that nice and secure. Put our clip in place. And the last thing we need to do up here is put our securing strap on. Just a carabiner, it's simply gonna clip onto our mounting bracket. Now you can go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Now we're just gonna open up our cover. We're gonna line up our locking point. You'll see that'll slide here. You just want this in the middle of this tab here. So once you have it lined up, go ahead and take your Allen key, tighten that down. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side and then make sure it just opens and closes and latches properly. And you're all set to go. And that wraps up our install of our TruShield low profile hard tri-fold tonneau cover for our 2019 and newer Ram 1500 with a 5.7 and 6.4 foot box and without the Ram box. And remember, for everything Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.